Ghost Rider. Yes, guys, be patient, guys, be patient. And really, I'm so happy. A lot of guys are joining my Telegram channel, and really, I'm so happy, guys. Yes, I will explain what happening market, and I will explain one by one what's going on the market, guys. I'm always telling you guys, be patient. We must be patient. Market now start January to till now markets still manipulating, guys. Lot of manipulating this kind of market, really very difficult to find the correct entry, guys. This one, and we can get some scalping setup, but it's a little bit dangerous. But anyhow, this swing trade, we cannot find this kind of time. Swing trade is very difficult to find this kind of period time, guys. That's why I try to catch this URNZD, but just missed by a few pips, guys. But at the same time, I'm telling you, market in manipulation zone now, and GBPUSD also still manipulating in high time frame. You can check in 1 hour, then you can check in still manipulating, guys. See at the time when we can get some more confirmation, some more institutional candles you can see, but and manipulation after that, lot of manipulation, and till now they are giving lot of manipulation, guys. And BTC only giving us some good entry, but already we got some setups here, but I'm waiting for another buy zone, and really amazing. BTC is going good. At the same time, yeah, I already checked link. Anyone interested crypto and buy here. Link USDT, really amazing confirmation setup. And crypto lovers, you can check this one. It's a correct time to buy this link USDT. Really amazing. See, we got nice swift hunt, and same like SMC. Yeah, SMC tab already happened, and after that it's gave a great BOS here. Really daytime frame. It's amazing confirmation setup, guys. But I'm a forex trader. Crypto lovers, you can buy here. Already I gave this set up my Telegram channel. If you want to more details, if you want to learn something about my strategy, just join with my Telegram channel, guys, and go try the strategy, guys. To be honest, we will earn together. Then yeah, I got another confirmation zone, and you are GBP, but market and it's a glitch zone, and you are GBP not ready to give any confirmations for sell now, but already I'm in buy sell limit, but market not yet trigger our limit order because time is up. And yeah, nowadays market lot of glitch and going on, and manipulations going on. See, you can check a lot of manipulation, lot of moves, and very hard to find. Don't lose your account, don't take over risk this kind of time. And gold moving fundamentally bull market, and you can go for buy only, guys. Don't go for sell gold in bull market. You can check here, gold bull and full bull market. We must be safe our account. At the same time, just find out only buy gold, guys. I'm looking for swing setup for 3k, and we'll see. I'm expecting move here 3k. It will come, and don't worry about it, guys. If you want to buy normal gold, just I'm telling my opinion. If you want, you can follow it, guys. Then if you want to buy, if it is scum gold here, you can buy real gold, and whatever you can buy, you can hold. We'll get some few profits, and really amazing, guys. If you want, don't miss out, guys. Just join with our real traders team, our Telegram channel. Check it out, my all entries and all those things. Just I'm giving us some experience setups, and at the same time giving some ideas. You can learn something with our Telegram channel, guys. Yes, guys, and nowadays be patient. Then we can check a lot of bigs and lot of big moves. That's why we have to be patient. Then 94% traders will lost this kind of time because of the market manipulation. They are getting some more emotionally they are affected with this kind of time, guys. Yeah. And oil also still manipulating and giving some sell confirmation gold. Oil, we'll see how this market react. I will update one by one, inch by inch. I will update my personal trading setups. You can get some idea from my trading chart, guys. Join with my Telegram channel if you want more details. Thank you so much for your support. Like and share, subscribe my channel, guys. To be honest, we will earn together, eat together, guys. Thank you so much. Ghost Rider strategy. After confirmation, we will jump. Thank you. Good night.